Today we'll be starting a series, and I'll be showing you how our garden and how we manage our garden and what grows in it and who helps. So today we are growing some winter peas, and they are a cover crop, which makes sure that all the weeds and stuff gets held down. So our plants can be nice and strong, like these pretty lettuces. We have some purple lettuces, some green ones, and my mom is just coming over and watering them. So they're nice and moist and happy, so they don't get overheated. Next, we have some garlic over here. And at the roots, you can see they're strong. So we have a bunch of garlic. But last night, dang, that wind was strong. And it kind of tore down our poor garlics. So, next, we'll be looking at a different type of lettuce. There's some bigger ones and some smaller ones. And we have some huge ones over here. We have some beets over here. Look at that pretty color. And we have some cabbages over there. And over here, we have more lettuces and some tot soy. And some mustard greens are a really pretty color. And then we have our prop house over here, which has a bunch of pretty flowers growing. It's a pretty short structure. Let's go inside. This is the inside of our prop house. So sometimes it gets really hot in here. So we have a fan that takes out all that hot air, and then through the door, we get new, colder air. Let's look at our tiger lilies. Look at those, they're huge. Some stargazers are blooming. They're a kind of flower. And we are sprouting some sunflowers over here. We are fixing the prop house right now. It will be a little loud, so let's get out of there. My dad over here is fixing it. He has some music going. My aunt painted this beautiful picture. This is my dad. You probably know him. He's kind of famous. We have our tools here. This is our orchard. It's huge. We have really tall pear trees and then really small hazelnut trees over here. And the plums are blooming over here. And they're really beautiful and smell really nice. Let's go check out those flowers. Should we? Yeah. So, these are the flowers. They're really beautiful. We have some lupins and bee balm growing over here. Daffodil. And I'm pretty sure that is about it. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll probably see you tomorrow or the next day. Bye. Have a nice day.